Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having mic quality issues on Discord. So if you want to improve the audio input sensitivity and output volume settings, basically, in today's tutorial, I'm going to have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Discord and select the U icon down in the bottom corner. Once your profile page is up here, select the gear icon up at the top right and then scroll down underneath app settings and select voice. And then you should be able to adjust the auto sensitivity settings. So if you want to just turn that on, you may have resolved the problem just by doing that. You may also want to adjust the output volume as well as the soundboard volume. If you scroll down further, you can adjust the noise suppression settings as well. If you want to enable or disable echo cancellation, gain control, or voice activity settings, you can modify them too. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.